Today's point, we have to revise simple information we have learned it before, which is the level of cellular organization. What's meant by the level of cellular organization means how our body parts are organized into structures and function. The smallest and the simplest functional and structural unit within our body are called the cells. Group of cells forming the tissue, group of tissues forming the organ, group of organ forming the system, and group of system forming the organism's body. Again, so the level of cellular organization means cell, tissue, organ, system, organisms. Talking about the most simple, that's the cell, the most complex, that's the organism's body. Okay, do you think that all cells within our body are the same shape with the same size? Of course not. Their shapes and the size must support their function. Their shapes and their size must support their function. What's meant by that? Let's have a little examples. Okay, such as the sperm cells. We said before that the sperm, that's the male sex cells, do their function by swimming to the female reproductive organs. So, in order to swim, they must have a tail. They have tail so they can move around. Okay, talking about the nerve cells or the neuron. The nerve cell, as you see here, they are long, thin, and with branches. Long, thin, and with branches. So they can send the electrical impulses over a long distance. What else? The skin cells. Skin cells must be broad and flat, so they can provide a wide protection all over your body parts. Again, so the size and shapes of the cells must support their function, such as the sperm cells with tail, such as the nerve cells with long and thin branches to send the electrical impulses over a long distance, such as the skin cell must be broad and flat. Okay, talking about the next point, which is how do body system work together? Actually, body system work together by two ways. They share organs and they communicate together. How they can share organs? We have some examples. Such as, if we think about our reproductive organs, such as the testes, the male reproductive organ, and the ovaries, the female reproductive organs. They are part of the reproductive